We've always been a big believer in practicing what you preach, so you can't be an energy and sustainability solutions provider without going the distance. That's why we're really proud to announce that we are a certified B Corp organization, as well as having a hard net zero target of 2030 ourselves.
With the net zero commitment, you must reduce your scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions to zero, with a residual amount that is able to be offset and ultimately removed. So the graphic that you see in front of you there shows the need to really decarbonize all 3 of those different scopes. So this one in the middle, for example, you've got a greenhouse gas reduction target here in green. Then you've got the state of the portfolio in here in the dashed line there to show the rate at which that estate is decarbonising. The black line takes into account any retrofits that we might have planned, which we have on this. This is just a model estate with sort of 15 or so buildings that we put together for the purpose of illustration. And this shows that this portfolio is likely to fall the wrong side of the stranding line in around 2037, unless they get a bit more aggressive with their decarbonisation activities or retrofit activities over the next 5 to 10 years.
And we're working together the last couple of years at Havas Village, which is the London headquarters of Havas. The building is 10 stories. It's fed from a district heating system, which makes it sort of quite unique in the sort of CRE environment. As Joe alluded, Optimised, we provide BMS maintenance services to Havas as the tenant and also the landlord of the building, which puts us in a really unique position where we can kind of span the gap between the 2 different sides of the property. I mean, we can see from this graph, I mean, it's been an iterative process where we have made a change, reviewed, put forward other projects and other works, gone back and reviewed that again and worked our way down. And you know, as you see, the sort of the key milestones for sort of the BMS system optimization.
But you get your ESOS report, you undertake some changes, and then you wait 4 years to see if it's worked, you know. Whereas I think so the crux of it is that ongoing relationship and bringing in more localized indoor environment data to see how you can really drive down the savings. So it's about, you know, not heating and cooling unoccupied spaces,